Friends, Saroj Nandan Shiksha Vikas Samit presents you a video on accounting system. Friends, suppose you are a student of physics, then you will definitely go through the various rules of the physics. You are a student of chemistry. We will go through the symbols of the वो जैसे CaCa2, H2SO4, then so on so on. If we are students of Sanskrit, then Vyakaran, grammar. It is very difficult. Sanskrit grammar is very difficult. In Sanskrit, if you wish to move like that, you have to move with the Panini Sutra. That is Haya Varata Jama Gana Nama, like that. If you are going to say learn English, you have to learn A, B, C, D. In the mathematics also. Similar to that, in accounts, there are some rules. I will discuss in this video a few rules like that. Without, say, knowing these basic things, you may not analyze your balance sheet, you may not take a financial decision, you may not become a very good finance advisor like that. So let us start. What is accounting? So as per the definition given by your chartered institutes and other, say, international institutes like that, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character, are interpreting the result thereof. Second definition, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decision by the user of the information. Now, the other is, account is a service activity. Its function is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, and about economic activities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. In short, I have explained you. Request you to go through this definition once again, twice again, thrice again, and thereafter move like that. In the definition itself, all the qualities of the accounting has been given. Now, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping, B-O-O-K, bookkeeping. So, it is defined as the science and art of recording business transaction in a systematic manner in certain set of books known as books of accounts. The following are the functions of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Now the bookkeeping has moved on the accounting, say tally accounting, this Excel accounting, thereafter what is that bank accounting? Very complicated accounting is bank accounting. Bank transaction accounting, very fast like that. Whatever software has been developed, it is based on the same principle, nothing new like that. Now, the bookkeeping. So following are the function of the bookkeeping. What is the function? To identify the transaction and events. To measure the identified transaction and events in a common measuring unit. To record them in suitable books of accounts. To classify them in a book called ledger. Now, I will definitely like to move fast like that and request you to kindly go through it and understand the things. If you wish, you can call me for any clarification, or you may refer your other books also. Now, what is accounting encompasses? Means it is the identification, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating. Friends, now again, I will request you to say, go through it and understand the thing, because if I will go on discussing each and every point like that, it will take much time. And I presume that you people have already learned in, say, your graduation, or if you wish, you can purchase some book of accounts which is being taught in the class of 12th or BCom, like that. Even I too am on your disposal, but definitely I will say you to do some practice like that. Then now the objective of accounting. What is the objective of accounting? For everything there must be some some aim must be there. So objective of accounting involves the function objective, which are, first is accounting assists in systematic recording of all the business events or transactions. Second is accounting measures the financial performance of an enterprise. Accounting facilitates reporting of results to both internal and external users. The management requires information for internal purposes at various levels of operations. Accounting is required to fulfill the statutory requirement of various regulatory bodies such as Registrar of Companies, Securities Exchange Board of India, Income Tax Department, and the government. Accounting helps in internal control by holding the concerned person responsible for any error, lapses, or underperformance. Now, the user of accounting information. Who are the main users of the accounting information? The accounting reports are designed to meet the common information needs of most decision makers. These decision makers are broadly classified into the following 7 to 8 groups. Now, you see that these users may not be a commerce graduate. The users may be a very big scientist, maybe a arts graduate, maybe a commerce graduate, maybe a other exposure, maybe other parts also. But definitely they must know the basic principles of accounting so that they can, say, perform their duty well on the assignments, even as a chairman, as a managing director, as a, say, general manager, as a head of the institution, as a company, like that. Now, again coming back on the user of the accounting information are investors, lenders, regulators, rating agency, security analysis, like that. Management is user, employees, trade union and tax authorities. Customers are the user. Government and regulatory agencies are the user, and the public are the user. Now, this accounting has limitations also. The limitations, on the limitation parts, I will like to say you that accounting measures only such transaction that can be measured in terms of money, quantitative resources like leadership of top basis, highly talented human resources, highly motivated team, best products, the power of resources and developments, brand image, etc. are not measured and recorded. Means only that money measuring, money. This money has come with a excellent leadership of the top bosses, or say highly talented human resource. These are the other part, but in the accounting only this money measuring. Accounting is not free from bias. आप खुद जानते हैं, या और आप जब हमारे अन्य वीडियो को देखेंगे या खुद भी यदि आप काफ़ी एक्सपर्ट होंगे, मेरे वीडियो देखने वाले मेरे से भी एक्सपर्ट होंगे, तो मैं आपको ये बतलाऊं कि ये जितने फ्रॉड होते हैं, फ्रॉडलेंसी होती हैं, मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स होता है, या जब आप बियॉन्ड बैलेंस शीट वाली हमारी वीडियो को आप देखेंगे, जो हमारे बहुत ही योग्य चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स बनाते हैं. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की भाषा दूसरा चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट समझता है, फिर जो है वो मैनेजमेंट भी समझती है, फिर कितना भी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बारी वाला बना के लेके आया, ऑडिटर्स बना के लाया, फिर ऑडिट रिपोर्ट की भी जो है एनालिसिस होती है. तो इट इज़ नॉट द फाइनल थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो सर प्लीज, तो अकाउंटिंग इज नॉट फ्री फ्रॉम बायस. मतलब सर्टेन बायस थिंग्स विल डेफिनेटली बी. The accounts have some leeway or freedom on the methods of depreciation charge, inventory valuation, through which profit or financial performance can be manipulated. Depreciation, method of depreciation. Say, it is the straight line method, SLM or DVD method. Written WDV, written down value, like that. Whether this accounting depreciation accounting system has been changed in between. Inventory valuation, whether it is on the say purchase cost, present market cost, or whether that analysis of the inventory, quality of the inventory is being carried out or not. All these things are involved. Accounting ignores the price level change when financial statements are prepared on historical cost fixed assets are shown in the balance sheet. So these are the very critical say limitations like that. The more and more analysis will depend how much interest you are taking in such accounting system like that. Now the window dressing. What is that window dressing? The word window dressing बहुत ही खतरनाक. The window dressing is the accounting policies can be manipulated to present in picture of the financial statement in a way that we desire rather than the actual one. आप सब करके ला दिए मगर हम चाहते हैं सारी फॉर माई कमेंट्स लाइक कि हमारा यदि बैंकिंग सिस्टम में है तो हमारा एनपीए ज़्यादा नहीं शो होना चाहिए, चलो संभालो, चलो फिर क्या करोगे हैं? दूसरा, अरे बाबा इस साल तो हम पब्लिक इशू में जाने वाले हैं, हमारा लॉस नहीं होना चाहिए, कई चीज़ें देर है। तो सम विंडो ड्रेसिंग एट ए फाइनल स्टेज और इन बिटवीन दिस क्रेडिट रेटिंग वगैरह का जो है उनसे भी हमको लेना है। तो देखो ये सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में दे के फिर हम ये करें, अपने अकाउंटिंग को करें हैं? तो फ्रेंड्स हम लिमिटेशन कर दिए विंडो ड्रेसिंग। अब अकाउंटिंग कंसेप्ट, व्हाट इज द अकाउंटिंग कंसेप्ट? Accounting concepts are basic or fundamental assumption or conditions which guide the accountants while preparing accounting statement. These concepts are so basic that most accountants do not conscientiously think of them. They are regarded as being self-evident. They are also called postulates of accounting. Based on this assumption, business purchase fixed assets, use long-term sources to fund the fixed assets, etc. The strong assumption that the business will continue for a long period of the time is called as the going concern concept. Oh, like that, I will say you that when you will go for the, say, analysis and interpretation